My goodness, you guys are fast. I'm telling you, I didn't even realize that I didn't schedule a live, so we just had to go live. We got Shredda first in the chat today. What's going on, Shredda? Outdoor Smile. Danelle, you were almost first, Danelle. You don't have to retract it if you thought you were first. You were almost first. Frank, what's going on, man? Julia Gulia, hey ho, how you doing, JB? Paul Wright, Julia Gulia, Paul Wright, JB. No ads. Oh my gosh, you got in here too quick. William Davis, there is ads on though. Ads are on right now. You just got no ads. You got lucky, man. You got lucky, but it's all right. You're going to get luckier than the market is, I'll tell you that. We've got Farmy, 14% gain on the day. My goodness, it was a 30+% gain last night. People selling off that earnings report there. Shiba sitting at 21.15. GameStop 97.01. Prague $1.32. And AMC sitting at $15.12. Retesting that $15 level. Come on, AMC. Don't do this to us. Deal breaker on the day. Sundial still green. 444. Is that good luck at all? I mean, is 444 good luck whatsoever? I don't know. Wow, I couldn't even set an alert. Devil's advocate, not today, man, not today. Good morning, Sammy. How you doing? Good day, bros. Danelle, good day to you as well. Sup, Pugnacious. How you doing? Shredda, what's up? Paul, Shredda, yes, no ad, and I'm on the clock. Mod life. Where's the ad, man? I should have ads on here. It says ads are on. How's nobody getting an ad coming in here? Ads are on. Well, what are you going to do, man? No ads, no ads. You guys got lucky on that one. I've got almost zero signal working in the middle of nowhere. Dang, dude, Frank working in the middle of nowhere, and it's 18 degrees outside. Freezing cold. Oh, my gosh. There he is. What's up, Pringleton? Still rolling these dice. Oh, yes. What's it going to be? What's it going to be? What's it going to be? Okay, nothing. Yeah, because there's no numbers on these little chips, whatever they are. Good morning, all you glorious apes. Frodo, good morning, man. I'm excited. Frodo, you see that? Oh, you probably didn't see it yet. I don't know if you did or not. I got my ape crate. I got my ape crate for Hodl Ape Club. Can you search that? Can you search that to see what it is? I'm excited to see what my NFT is for Hodl Ape Club there. Let's see. Before everybody jumps in here. Yeah, maybe this. All right, I don't know which one mine is. 1, 2. Are these numbered on here? I got number 10 and 11. Oh, here, we'll just go big picture real quick. What the heck? Thank you very much for the super chat. Can you look at Scrooge coin chart? Yes, we can look at Scrooge coin chart right now, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate that. Scrooge. That's this one, right? Scrooge coin chart. I got you. I got you. Right here. Scrooge coin chart. What do we got going on? Down 8% today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros on here. $11 million market cap. Not too bad for Scrooge coin there. What do we got going on, guys? Scrooge coin, my goodness, did very well. December, not too much action. Not too much action. Basically 20x'd throughout the beginning of January. 20x'd, man. That's a really nice gain on Scrooge coin there. Coming back down, pulling back a little bit. As crypto in general and Bitcoin pulls back as well. And sitting right here, basically, I don't know, an 8x, 9x gain from where we were back here at the end of December. So still doing very well on Scrooge coin. Man, if this is leveling off here, could lead to some very interesting gains. Not bad at all. Scrooge coin, guys, if you want to check that out. 10, almost 12, or 11, 12 million dollar market cap right now. We've got 500,000 billion Scrooge, which is what, 500 trillion Scrooge coins outstanding right now. Looks like a 1 quadrillion circulating supply, very similar to Shiba Inu coin. Half of them must have been burnt. and the same overall total supply. So think of it just like Shiba Inu coin, but if you were going to get into Shiba Inu coin with 7 zeros instead of 4 zeros, 1000x potential right there. Very nice, man. Scrooge coin looking decent so far, especially the gains that you guys have already experienced if you're willing to sit in Scrooge coin for a minute. How many holders you guys got? Shoot, only 2,800 holders as well. Not bad at all. What do you got here? Null address with over 50%. Looks like that might be the burn wallet there. And then you guys got okay liquidity in PancakeSwap right now. Ton of whales, ton of whales. I don't know if I'd consider those guys a ton of whales. Only a couple, 3, 4 addresses. 4 addresses hold over, and one of them's PancakeSwap. 3 addresses hold over 1% of the total coins. Not bad, guys, not bad. If you guys like Scrooge McDuck and you want to make some of that Scrooge McDuck money, you got that right there. What do we got here? Yes, if you go to details, it says the number. All right, sweet. I got to see this, Frodo. Hodl Ape Club. All right, perfect. I got to find details. I don't know. I don't 1, 2. Let's just count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Does this show you the number? Details. That's 13. No, that's not me. Three? No. Why are these not in order? Number 1. Woohoo! Nice! Number 1. I wish that was me. It's not, though. Number 2? No, not me. 7? No, not me. No. Where's 10? Gosh. I'm the noob that's just sitting here clicking and you guys are just watching me click. I should have done this beforehand. 9, almost. Boom! This one's me. This one's me. Nice! We have to see what that bad boy shows up as tomorrow. Sweet. Hello, bro peeps. What's going on? Freddy, Devil's Advocate. I was lurking in a channel that I left, and it was like they were bad-mouthing me, but they didn't know I was there because I unsubscribed and couldn't type anything. Oh, my goodness! Don't bad-mouth anybody ever, man. Come on. Everybody loves you here, Cassie. Stay with us forever. Please. JJ, what's going on, man? Isawu, did Keenan put his bow tie back on? I do not know if Keenan put his bow tie back on. Devil's going to sell you my prog at $4 a share. It's a good deal. Devil's Advocate might buy it, man. Hey, what's in the box? JB, a Hodl Ape Club, man. But a Hodl Ape, but I don't know what kind of Hodl Ape I'm going to get. I'm going to get the coolest one. Clay, did I order the wrong bulb? Danelle, I don't know. I'm going to have to go look. I highly doubt you ordered the wrong bulbs, but honestly, I didn't look. GameStop and AMC trading sideways. Nothing new and down a little bit as well, JJ. We got to get some of that green action coming back, man. We need some of that money flowing into the market. Hey, the boxes won't open yet. Shitsu Inu. I know, man. We got to wait, I think, until tomorrow morning for the boxes to open. It's like Christmas, man. It's like Christmas. I got to wait until tomorrow morning. 3-part message, Clay. Oh, my gosh. Bring it on, Devil's Advocate. Bring it on. Or did you already send it? No, you didn't send it yet. Oh, my God. Yeah, you did. Dang it. Let's see. Good morning, Apes. Clay, not gonna lie, and not being negative, trying not to get discouraged, but also feel like I was hyped up for nothing. When, Chris? For the anniversary, man? Is that what you're saying? Let's see. Part 1. Would like to say this publicly. Today I was watching a Mr. Kors, and he was discussing how people trash talk him in publicly, but say he's great in DMs and in private. Interesting. I am going to watch him again. Like him or hate him, he and Clay too give out free content to help you better yourself in your life, and to be mad about them benefiting from it is not only ridiculous, but it's selfish. It makes literally no sense at all. They should benefit from helping others, especially consider I learned more here than I did in actual school or class. Yeah, dude, you know, and you have a choice to be here too, right? If you don't want to be here, great, don't be here. And you guys already know my thoughts on that, man. Yeah, I don't care if Matt Kors makes $1 billion in super chat or $1 trillion in ad revenue. How hard is it for you guys to click skip on an ad? It's not that hard to click skip on an ad. It'll be okay. I promise it'll be okay. Brian, man! Brian McCulloch. McCulloch. It's gotta be McCulloch. Hope I got that right. Brian, thank you very much for grabbing that green name, guys. We need 55. Welcome, Brian's into the chat right now. Thank you very much for the support there, Brian. Appreciate that. My dude's got that green name with the little green astronaut now. Very good, Brian. Thank you very much for grabbing that green name, man. Appreciate you, and watch everybody say welcome, Brian, now. Nobody be shy. We got the best 57 in here, and I expect all 57 of you to say welcome to Brian. Good morning, Clay, bro. Good morning. Mike. Clear, do you know AMC's cash burn rate? No, I do not actually know how much money they're burning through right now, okay? I know that their earnings are negative. They are burning more cash than they are bringing in, but I don't know I don't know how much cash they're burning on a daily basis or weekly basis or anything like that. Brian, welcome, JB. Thank you very much, man. Clear, many of us transfer to other brokers during the year. Does that restart our anniversary dates for long-term investment? Philip, no. So if you transfer your holdings, those are still your holdings. So let's say when you transfer, if you guys left Webull or left Robinhood or whatever, if you're sending your shares from Robinhood to Webull, those are your shares still. It did not close those shares out and buy new shares. If you were doing crypto, yes, they're not really, the brokers like that are not, like, they're not actually transferring your crypto. They're selling that, and then you get that cash in your account. So that is a different story. But your shares, unless you closed out your account and then reopened a new account, your shares would have been transferred, and those are, you know, still holdings from whenever you originally purchased them. Sorry, Chris. I know I was part of that, but I still pumped, though. Bought some more AMC and GME earlier. I feel good. I feel good. Just like I should. Pringleton. Very nice, man. Are you an AMC? Yes. Dividend portfolio. I do have AMC. Morning from Canada. Morning from Ohio. Darren, how you doing? Peak of Power. Only 3 trillion. Something about 3. Peak of Power said. Just bought 3 trillion Shinja. Nice, Peak of Power. Nice. Welcome to the Bro Club. Chris, thank you very much. Yes. Brian, welcome to the Bro Club, man. Absolutely appreciate everybody that's got that green name out there. At this point, Coors made so much money. He doesn't care about AMC. I doubt he should. Mitch, maybe, man. Maybe. But, look, dude made a lot of money. He can spend his money on whatever he wants, right? He does. And here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. Okay? I don't really like liars. Liars fall into the same category as thieves to me. But he says he has AMC. Okay? It's nobody's business how much AMC he has. I don't care if the dude's got 1 share or if the dude's got 1 million shares. At the end of the day, it's his money. He can spend it on what he wants. And if he wanted to spend it on AMC, great. If he only wanted to hold 1 share of AMC, great. But he says he's got AMC, man. I'm not telling anybody to just blindly trust anybody out there. But, I mean, it's difficult, dude. I don't want anybody to ever just blindly trust anybody. But, I don't know, man. As far as, like, auditing the guy and giving him grief, says he's got AMC, so I would imagine he's got AMC. Chris, if you don't like him, don't watch him, it's that simple. Yes, it is. Sorry, I didn't read the rest of that. All I'm saying is there's no need to crap on anybody ever, man. Listen, internet is a great place to crap on people. That's a fact, okay? I see people crapping on other people all the time on the internet. And you don't see it in real life. You don't see it. I mean, imagine if you had a friend and all that friend ever did was crap on other people. That's pretty annoying, man. I get it if you guys are joking around. You're like, ha, man, this dude can't even do nothing. Isn't it funny? You know, that's okay, great. But if literally you're just tearing people down in real life, nobody's ever going to want to be your friend. So don't do it on the internet either. Good morning. Good morning to you. How do I get a green name, bro? Chris, click that blue join button, man. And if you're on iPhone, you got to click the link in the description below. Copy and paste that out to Safari and go get it that way. Just join my next subscribe button. Yes, that'll get your green name if you're on computer or Android. If you're on iPhone, you got to copy and paste the link in the description. JG, JB, what's going on? Outdoor Smile, why $90 miner fee for $10 NFT? Oh, Outdoor Smile. The gas fees, man. The gas fees are stupid, okay? But here's the good news, okay? A lot of these projects, if you mint the NFT, listen, I didn't have to pay a gas fee for the NFT that I won from Hodl Ape Club, okay? They minted those. But a lot of these projects, they're going to be setting the floor price, which is the minimum price they want you or allow you to sell your NFT at. It's something that would cover the gas fee. So, I don't know which one you're looking at for a $10 NFT. It's going to cost you $90 in gas fees or whatever. But the floor price for the Hodl Ape Club NFTs that you guys got right there, that one's mine. Nice box, right? I'll know what it is tomorrow morning. The floor price is like 0.042 or 0.04 Ethereum. So it would cover that fee right there. So if I minted that myself, if I went out there, which I believe you can do right now, if you guys do want to mint one of the Hodl Ape Club NFTs, I believe you can do that now. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe you can. The floor price is going to be, I think 0.04, 0.042 Ethereum. So it would cover that if you do decide to sell it. Nick F can confirm the Ozarks is not exclusively Amish, although there is some Amish communities there, and we do indeed have lighting and electricity. Very nice, man. Ozarks, nice place. Thanks to the bro community and buying the dip, I have finally reached my 200 million Shiba goal. Thank you all. Amazing. Political Joker. Sweet, dude. Sweet. I hope if Shiba goes to a penny one day, what are you going to be sitting on there? $2 million. Sick, dude. Sick. I know you want your gains tomorrow, but imagine 5 years from now, if Shiba's sitting at a penny and you're sitting on $2 million, tell me you wouldn't be happy. Tell me you wouldn't be happy. I know you'd be happy. Yeah, Cardi B just won a big lawsuit for slander. Yeah, she did. I think it was libel, which is the written form of slander. But I don't know all the details of that. Some blogger said something about her, and she didn't like what she said, so she's been suing her for 3 years or something. What are your thoughts on Pfizer? Like the stock or the company? Oh, you are that friend, Clay. Yes, man, I am that friend. I am, Nick F. So let's talk crap about everybody we know. Space Apin is here. Space Apin is here. I'm glad you're here, man. Also, I don't like liars. Good. Liars and thieves can just hang out together. So I left somewhere. I've been for a year. They said they welcome everyone in there, but doing a puke emoji on LGBT posts in their Discord, and it made me mad. Yeah, man, look, I understand everybody's got different opinions, okay? We don't all have to agree on everything, but shoot, man, I don't know. If you're going to be puking, puke somewhere else. Let's see. Morning, fam. DD214, what's going on? Hey, what's up, dude? What's going on? Transparent Trading Live. How you doing? I'm making an NFT art, not collections on OpenSea. Pull them up. All are custom made. CT. I don't know how to pull them up, Transparent, if they're not on. I don't know a ton about NFTs. So if they're not on OpenSea, I have no idea how to pull them up, dude. Not gonna lie. Mint start tomorrow, Clay. 1 year anniversary of them taking the buy button away. Frodo, nice, man. So I got my little box. Before everybody else has their box. Nice, man, nice. Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Clay, where do you see Shiba in February? In my portfolio, for sure. Oh, you mean the price of Shiba? Gotcha, Miss Queenie. Gotcha. No, I have no idea where I see the price of Shiba in February. So if Bitcoin falls, if Bitcoin falls through 30,000 per coin, $30,000 per coin, I see Shiba sitting back down at 1,000 points per coin. I'm not gonna lie on that one. If Bitcoin holds the 30,000 level, it depends. You know, if Bitcoin holds and bounces up and it starts to run again, Shiba's going to run as well. Shiba's going to follow Bitcoin for the short term. There was a massive whale, about 90 billion in Shiba earlier this morning. They must know something we do not. Always love seeing the Ethereum whales find a new home. Pika, pika. Yeah, I don't know if these guys know something we don't, okay? I really don't. I don't know if they get any crazy information. I feel like we know a lot. I feel like a lot of these guys are going out there, seeing that it's cheap right now, knowing that they're going to either lose in Ethereum or they're going to lose in Shiba. And if they gain in Ethereum, they could gain in Shiba. And the gains in Shiba will probably outpace the gains in Ethereum. So I think that's the rationale behind why they're moving some of their Ethereum into Shiba. Not necessarily because they know something we don't. Debt-free dad, AMC lost all my profits, but I'm patient. Let's go. Debt-free dad, I'm also patient, man. Oh, we got Sundial on the chart, not AMC. Sorry about that, guys. AMC sitting at $14.91 right now. My goodness. AMC, grow some legs. I don't know what you're doing out there. AMC sitting at $14.91, down 6% on the day. GameStop down 6% on the day. Prog down 7% on the day. Shiba pretty much break even on the day. Man, AMC and GameStop getting hit pretty hard on a day when the NASDAQ is sitting in the green. Yes, it's pulling back right now, but this 1450 level better hold up on AMC or it's going to be January 2021 all over again. I don't want to see that, but I don't want to see that. Cassie, I feel you on that. Stuff hard. I get extremely upset with divisive people when it comes to the things. I'm a huge into the wine, not the label poster framed on my into the wine, not the label. I don't even know what that means. Is that like code for something? I don't even know if that's code for something. Look, man, look. You know, they need to make a new Bambi movie or something, man. Thumper had good advice, 30 years ago, whatever it would have been. Thumper had good advice. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Maybe now, if you wouldn't say it in real life, don't say it in internet life. Could also, I guess, ring true for a lot of people these days. If you're going to say it in real life, and, you know, people are going to label you a jerk in real life, okay, good. And I get it, man. You guys can have opinions, too, on you disagree with this. There's a lot of stuff I disagree with, man. I'm not going to lie. I don't agree with everything everybody does because it's impossible. You can never agree with everything everybody does because people do different things. But you don't have to be a jerk. You don't have to accept it, but you don't have to be a jerk. So just remember that too. And I will tell you, sometimes I do want to be a jerk, but you don't have to be. You have the choice not to be a jerk. Tesla doing well. Tesla was down this morning. Crypto Rocketeer. What is Tesla doing, man? Tesla is down 7.36%. Guys. Oh, man. What are they calling this? What are they calling these times? What are they calling these times right now? Is it the Great Reset or something stupid that they're labeling the times we're in right now? Look, if you protect the profits that you do have and you've got some money left over, man, we could be sitting on just crazy once-in-a-lifetime opportunities in the stock market if this stuff gets hit as bad as a lot of people are predicting. Now, I know Tesla down 20% from where it was before is not a huge hit. But think about it, man. If you're sitting on Tesla again at $100 a share at the end of the year because the United States screwed up, okay, great. Didn't mean Tesla screwed up. It means people investing have less money to invest. They pulled it all out. They got scared and panicked, and they left. They will return, and the prices on these companies will return too. The beautiful thing about a stock price, okay, and you've learned this in AMC. The price does not matter unless the company is going out there to raise new capital. AMC could be trading at $1, Tesla could be trading at $1, but Tesla could be bumping out billions of dollars worth of cars every single year. And if they're doing that and all of these prices fall because nobody's got the money to buy them and nobody wants to hold them because it's too risky, if we get opportunities like that, look at it as an opportunity instead of a problem or the end of the world. It's going to be great. Let's see. Sorry. Oh, man, where are we at here? I bought more. It's 16. The squeeze is the play. Be a Warren Buffett. Patient, baby. Patience, baby. Buy a ton of 15 calls for next week. Printing, baby. Spider Claude, man. I hope you make a ton of money on those calls, dude. No joke. I got nervous yesterday when the charts started dumping during the... Oh, Cladinho. Sabanino. How are you doing, yo? Got nervous yesterday when all the charts started dumping during the Fed announcement and sold all of my Shiba and Prague. I'm really feeling the burn today. It really sucks. Clear out. Suck at this. Oh, Ryan, man, listen. You don't suck at it. If you sold your stuff yesterday as the Fed was, I guess, causing the price to go down. Now, clearly, you're doing okay because Shiba still right around where it was yesterday. Prague actually lower than it was yesterday. Now, it does not mean that you can't buy back in. It does not mean, and this is what a lot of people are going to try and tell you, that it means that this is the end of the world, right? That the markets are going to go to zero. Your dollar is going to be worthless. Your investments are going to be worthless. You're not going to have any money. You're going to be poor. You're going to be on the street, and so on. Well, I can say with certainty that if that is the case, if it is the end of the world, and your dollar is worthless, you're not going to care if you don't have any dollars, if they're not worth anything. You're not going to care if it's the end of the world and you're not sitting on a $10,000 portfolio. You're not going to care at all. So don't let that fear creep in there, man. Don't get nervous. Don't get emotional. So how is everyone handling the IRS this year? Anyone? Moji, how are we handling the IRS with as little interaction as possible? That's how you handle the IRS. It was a metaphor to explain how not to be in gay straits. I like wine, but I also like I like white wine, but I also like red wine. I'm into the wine, not the label. Does that make sense? Oh yeah, it makes sense, dude. Probably a better analogy for me would have been like, I like iced tea and I like lemonade, man. Both of them look different. Both of them taste different. Shoot, I don't even care what kind of mason jar it comes in. I'll drink both of them. Facts on that all day. I will drink lemonade. I'll drink water. I'll drink lemonade. I'll drink iced tea. All of them look different. All of them taste different. Shoot, sometimes they even feel different. But I like it. You don't suck, bro. You're just learning. You got to get nervous. It's a normal reaction sometimes. And you know what? Peak of power, it is, man. It is. Nobody sucks at trading in here. Nobody sucks at investing. If you get emotional, you might have just had too much in the market in the first place, man. You might have had too much in the market in the first place. Hello, Julie, Cassie, Freddie, DD214, Devil's Advocate, Outdoor Smile, Frodo, Mr. Salmon, Isawu, Nick F, Pringleton, Pugnacious, Crypto Orchids here. Hope you are all doing good today. Don't know. Where was the hello to me? I see everybody else but me in there. Hey, Moji has tax questions. See above. Well, I'm not a tax expert, but was there something other than how are you handling the IRS? Because I said with as little interaction as possible. Maybe? I don't know if there was something else on that or not. My bad if there was. I didn't see it. Hi, Danielle. Still sick, but okay. Julia, come on. Get better. I'm not sure how I'm handling the IRS this year. Still waiting on 1099s. Handle the IRS with as little interaction as possible. Nobody likes the IRS. Nobody likes paying taxes. You are right to feel that way. But unfortunately, unless you leave, you got to pay. Or you have some sick write-offs. Find some sick write-offs. All right, what do we got here? Part 1, fun fact. I made a Facebook status comparing me getting skin removal surgery after extreme weight loss to a person getting their top surgery, and was told by a conservative judge that he would have thought it was beautifully worded and that I actually changed his perspective on things because of it. Best compliment I've ever gotten in my life. Nice, Devil's Advocate. Nice. But dude, I told you one time that the question you asked wasn't dumb. So how is that the best compliment you've ever gotten in your life? The one from me should have been. You had several questions. Julia, I scrolled way up, man. I didn't even see any of them. Guess I'm invisible. No. You might have been invisible before that, dude. Oh, wow. Way up there. Text may coming soon. Is it true if you only bought crypto and not sold, staked, or traded crypto in 2021, you don't have to select yes on page 1 of tax form on buying crypto? Well, dude, I don't know which one you have to select, yes or no, but I will tell you they're going to tax you on your gains, okay? Just because you own it doesn't mean that you don't have anything to be taxed on if you own crypto, okay? There's nothing to tax. You have to have a realized gain in order to be taxed. Unrealized gains would be ludicrous if they started taxing those. So don't ever let anybody convince you that taxing unrealized gains is a good idea. But if you don't have any realized gains, and I am not a CPA, I am not a tax advisor, and I cannot answer this with any sort of credibility. But if you don't have a realized gain, they have nothing to tax. You need a realized gain in order to tax. And you could get that from staking rewards, which is where they pay dividends. You could get that from selling a cryptocurrency, where you either have a loss or a gain from the sale of that crypto, and so on. I sent you a tweet of the NFT styles I make. Let me know what you like, and I'll make you one for free. Transparent. Nice, man. I'm going to have to... No, I'm not logged into Twitter right now. I will have to check that out, dude, because NFTs are sweet. I got my Hodl Ape Club NFTs today. Box right now, it's a box, but tomorrow it's gonna be an ape. Let's see, the IRS tax form says to select yes if you bought crypto. As I understand it, if you don't have to select the F, if you did not. Yeah, I don't know, man. If you own crypto, okay, maybe they want to know if you own crypto. I don't think they're going to ask for your wallet address or anything like that. But even if you own it, they're not going to be able to tax you on anything on it because you need a gain. You need a realized gain to hit a tax. Let's see. Dips are just small. Second best, my apologies. A real federal judge changing his mindset on a hot topic because of me was definitely second to. No, that wasn't a dumb question. I wasn't dumb, man. Yeah, man. Second best. Good. I'm glad, dude. I'm glad. Nah, you made me feel a little bit better because I was a little worried there that my compliments didn't have any weight, but I'm glad they do. These are just small bumps in the road, and the goal at the end of the journey will make it all worth it, all worthy. We come out of the Federal Reserve scare and profit. Yeah, Alan. I don't know if we're going to scare the Federal... Oh, we'll come out of this Federal Reserve scare, and we're going to profit. Gotcha. Now I understood the sentence. It's all good, so they audit you. Can't you respond? Or can't just respond? I don't know. Yeah, dude. So if you click yes that you own crypto, okay, you can let them know you own crypto, but even if they audit you, what are you like? You're going to look at your wallet address? And see unrealized gains in there? They can't tax unrealized gains, man. Milkshake AMA, is it tomorrow? Will you be live chat? Ms. Queenie, good question. I did not know that Milkshake had an Ask Me Anything tomorrow. Is the Ask Me Anything on Telegram? Because maybe I did know that, if that's where it's at. If it's on somewhere else, I don't know about it. But I did see something about Telegram. Just confirming things. Emoji, absolutely, man. It's if you made less than $600, then you're fine. Sam, you got a bunch of tax experts in here. I love it. Now, guys, listen. Don't take any tax advice from me or from anybody else in the chat. Even if we do have certified tax professionals in here, don't take any tax advice from anybody in the chat. Okay? If you have questions and you're filling out your own taxes on TurboTax or wherever, ask one of them. That's what they're there for. But they can't tax you on unrealized gains. Not sure, man. Maybe one day. Outstore Smile. I think I might have missed something. Debt-free dead. I've been watching Survival Dispatch with Bear on YouTube. I agree. Dang, I missed something. How do I pool my AMC to buy more Shiba? I have Robinhood and Gemini for the crypto. My son said I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't know how you pool your AMC to buy more Shiba, man. I guess you would have to sell your AMC or take a loan out on your AMC to buy Shiba. Anyone know about Apple earnings report? I do not. I do not know anything about Apple earnings reports. NASDAQ is now red. NASDAQ falling into the red. My gosh. NASDAQ is red now. Trending down, guys. What a great day. NASDAQ red. Farmy, 2252. Trying to hold on to some gains. Not really working out very well. We're sitting on 30+% gains last night after hours. And then this morning, getting hit pretty hard. Trading sideways. At least it's beating this down market. GameStop down 8.8% right now. Prog down 7.3% right now. AMC down 6.7% right now. Cashapp down 1%. Sundial down 5%. Man, you gotta love the current market conditions. You gotta love the losses that these people don't care about. Let's see. Yeah, Tim. I did read that as well. But don't be scared of that executive order there, okay? From everything that I read in the executive order, they basically just want, I guess, a division of the government to look into creating their own crypto. They want to stay competitive in the digital asset world, and it doesn't have anything at this point to do with banning, regulating, or changing taxes or anything like that on crypto. It's simply to look into creating their own digital currency. Can you take a look at Nano Dimensions? The Ape Fathers man-child. Nano Dimensions, we could take a look at that in a minute, man. I know I actually did look at Nano Dimensions this morning before I was live. Cancel culture needs to aim high. Yeah, and go to the IRS. That'd be nice, Frank, wouldn't it? Oh, man. Hold on. Twisted the camera there. Let's get back here. Let's see what Nano Dimensions has going on today. Down in an earlier round. Nano Dimensions going down. Swing in. Down 6% on the day, in line with everything else. What do we got here? Bouncing off $3, up 10% from the low that it hit back here. Nano Dimensions, what do they got? They got the circuitry printing, right? I'm pretty sure that's what they got. Now, Nano Dimensions did very well in 2021 when everybody was getting those stimulus checks and pouring money into the stock market. They've been pulling back ever since. Where we're at right in here is a strong level of support. So strictly looking at it from a technical standpoint, you can see that we touched it here, we touched it here, we touched it back in here. And then even if you go all the way back to 2019, you've got a couple levels of support in that area right there. If we break through that level, okay, if this line breaks, the next level of support may not be until here, which is another 10-20% decline. But even stronger support than that, I would go all the way down to here, which would be a pretty big decline. $1 on a $3 stock, you're looking at a 30+% decline if this line of support is broken. If it holds up, and you could get a nice bounce back up to the upside. Here's the thing, though, guys. All of these stocks, I don't care if you're looking at Nano Dimensions, if you're looking at Tesla, if you're looking at CEI, if you're looking at GameStop, if you're looking at whatever Genpact is, I don't want that. If you're looking at BBIG, if you're looking at Kohl's, I don't really care about Kohl's either. Prog, the NASDAQ, all of this stuff is extremely dependent on the overall market and market conditions right now. So if you expect Nano Dimensions to bounce off this line right here, please don't expect it to bounce off and start trending higher as the NASDAQ, Dow, S&P 500, crypto, our livelihoods continue trending to the downside. Don't expect it to buck the trend in such a wild way that it just does not care about the overall market. That's reckless. All right? Don't do that. Let's see. Hypothetically, say I lost $10,000 of my own actual money. Can I expect to have a bigger tax return than normal this year? Or how would that work? Yeah, dude. So you'd be able to write off, I don't know how much of your losses you're going to be able to write off, but you can write off, a good portion of your losses. So it would be like you earned less money. And I don't know what your taxes look like either, man. If the taxes you pay from work, if those are, if you normally have a tax return and so on, as opposed to owing during tax time. But yes, pretend you lost, the $10,000 or whatever, you would have a write-off that would reduce your income, and therefore you could see a bigger tax return. I understand that, but how do you pool stocks to buy Shiba? Should I use my house as collateral, borrow against it, and get some more coins? The only person I've seen do that is Adler Gray. All right, and I don't know if Adler Gray was messing with me or not. He promised that he wasn't, and he did very well doing that. Please do not do that because it makes me nervous. All right, don't go out there and take out an equity line on your house and buy AMC, and then if you don't make your payment by next month, you're gonna lose your house and so on. Please, man, be responsible. If the U.S. were to develop a cryptocurrency, would it be centralized? How could it be decentralized? Kind of defeats the point. Yes, Kalani, it would be centralized. It would basically just be a digital coin, man. Very similar to Ripple, because that's why Ripple is I don't know, getting in trouble with the SEC or whatever, because they may as well have just gone out there and sold stock as opposed to selling a crypto, and the SEC wanted to regulate Ripple. Now, if the U.S. government does it, it will not be decentralized. It will be owned by the U.S. government. What the heck? Can you look at Scrooge webpage and spin the mini slot? Dude, I guess I can spin the mini slot. I don't know. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? I'll give it a shot. Let's see if I can spin the mini slot there, Scroogey boy. All right, dude's probably going to give me a virus for coming out here. All right. Let's see. Scrooge coin. I like Scrooge coin here. Brand new crypto. Change online casino forever. Very good. All right. Hybrid deflationary cryptocurrency. It rewards holders with a crypto 8% BUSD reward. My goodness. Taxes are pretty high on that one then, guys. We get an 8% BUSD rewards. About Scrooge coin crypto. 8% reflections. Yeah, that is very large. We got to see the tokenomics here. We got 8% reflections, 4% of every buy and sell goes to marketing, and another 2%. So you're looking at 12 to 14% tax on both buy and sell there. Is that what I'm seeing here? 2% going to the liquidity pool, 4% going to marketing, and 8% going to reflections. What the heck? Are you part of that 4% marketing? Dude, if not, man, they got to be. They got to be paying you. All right, let's see. 50 billion? 50 trillion? Team is committed to not selling Scrooge, but showing how diamond hands do it. Nice, man. Nice. Okay, we see all that. Play to win mini game. Did I probably click on it? I don't even know if I want to click on that, man. It seems dangerous to me. But if you guys want to go out there and click on this game, and then I don't know if it's going to do anything to your computer or not. But yeah, if you want to go play the mini slot game, absolutely go play the mini slot game. If you do want to buy Scrooge, taxes are pretty high. 14% tax is pretty high, man. Let's see what we got. What else we got out here? Quarter 4, that's done. Obtain 5,000 holders. You guys got 28. Not there yet. Start to burn. Money's flowing. Okay, well, good. Obtain 5,000 Twitter. How many followers you guys got on Twitter, man? Increase awareness through social media influencers. Oh my god. Hey, what the heck? What the heck, man? If you want a social media influencer, if you guys want to pay me in Scrooge coin, I'll accept payment in Scrooge coin. I don't care. I'll shill for you all day, man. All day. Tell your boys. Tell your boys I'll do that one right there. Let's see. And then all that stuff. What about Telegram bot attacks? I don't know anything about Telegram bot attacks. But no, it does seem like, look, Scrooge coin 10x, 20x, sitting at a 10x increase from where it launched. Clearly, there was money made. Clearly, people are holding it. They got 2,800 holders right now. And hopefully it does continue to grow. I want all these coins to grow, guys. I want all these coins to grow. I want everybody to make as much money as possible. This lawsuit is so important. Just to be clear, the SEC has not stated Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. are safe from being labeled a security. Yeah, KO bets. You're right on that, but I will also tell you that the SEC can reach too far. And once you start to reach too far, like, people are going to start smacking your hand away. And then if you continue to reach too far, dude, you're going to get your hand cut off. So the SEC doesn't own everything. There's no way that Bitcoin or Ethereum are securities. No. No, dude. No. But they will probably try to reach, man. They will probably try to reach. If the SEC, if the U.S. government, if any entity can take money from you, they will. They will. Did I just see a picture of Scrooge McDuck on that coin? That is a red flag for me. Disney lawyers are sharks and protect their IP like Spartans fighting to the death. Frodo, yeah, it could be, man. It is a picture of Scrooge McDuck. At the same time, though, if you don't have anybody to sue, I don't understand how. I don't understand where they would have grounds to do that. You know what I mean? Like if there's no owner of Scrooge coin, I don't know what the lawyers are going to do about it. It's interesting. Are there any lawyers out there that have ever thought about that? What would you do in that situation? Pay Clay and Scrooge coin. He accepts all forms of fiat, super chat, stickers, little bro program, rupees, all of it. Isawu, yes, man. We all got sucked in again with early gains, and then BAM! Dude, I hate apples. It's ridiculous, isn't it? The market's ridiculous today, dude. I'm not even going to lie on that one. I agree with you. Yeah, it was looking good this morning. AMC was doing just fine, sitting at $16.60. Now AMC's $14.90. Shiba is sitting at $21.14 right now. It's kind of treading water. GameStop down to $95. Prague down to $1.30. NASDAQ was nice and green this morning. Is nice and red now. Farmy was sitting on 30+% gains. Now it's sitting on a 12% gain after a phenomenal earnings report. Phenomenal earnings report. Nothing can gain in this market, man. It's sickening. Sickening how these people are just pulling all their money out like they're going to lose it forever. Let's see. Don't play with this. Scrooge is probably located somewhere in the Caribbean. Hey, man, the Caribbean is a very nice place. King, I have a helium hotspot. In my opinion, it's a bust. Something I Clay, check out the plunge protection team. Found this to be very interesting. EJ, what is that, man? I don't know what that is. Disney can get a cease and desist and get the website taken down. Yeah, they can get the website taken down, but I guess it depends on who is hosting that website, because if that website is being hosted somewhere out of the Middle East, dude, I don't think that website would care one bit about Disney's cease and desist. Also, I don't know if PancakeSwap will delist it, man. I don't know if PancakeSwap is completely DeFi, so it would be pretty tough to get PancakeSwap to delist, any coin for that matter. Even if it's a proven scam, I don't think PancakeSwap delists it. Libra, thanks for starting this channel and giving us your time. Freddie, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. Freddie, thank you for giving me your time, man. No joke on that. Like the fact that you guys are in here hanging out, having fun, making money, not stressing about the markets. When you are stressing about the market, we can talk about it. We can enjoy ourselves and be ready to be here tomorrow as well. So thank you guys for giving me your time as well. I have a lot of fun. I just hope that you guys are having a lot of fun too. Because, dude, making money in the market can be boring, right? I mean, I can make it boring to say, oh, man, you know what? AMC is sitting here. Let's go back out to a bigger chart. Well, we do have AMC sitting here. And if we're looking at the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average, we can see a clear cross, a death cross as they call it. And since then, AMC has lost $22 to $15, $7 on 22. AMC has lost about 30% since the death cross came across. And we are at a very strong level of support right now. However, until this moving average crosses back over, I don't think that it would be a good time to buy. We need to make sure that we are trading above the 200-day moving average if we want to be bullish on any security whatsoever. Now, on the same in the same breath, I do want to say, let's look at some of these crossovers. No, I want to do. Oh, no, don't fall. Let's see where these are at. Okay. Not bad. Let's see what this looks like on a 1 minute chart. Okay. 13's purple, 48's green. You get in here. You get in here on the cross. Tough on that. Get in here on the cross, $15. You're riding it down. Making 20 cents. Making 20 cents. Let's see when that. Right there. With confirmation. Let's see when that crosses back over. Let's see what you'd have once this crosses. I don't know what these guys use as their exit criteria, but I do want to see this here. So we'll keep that on the chart for now. All right, what the heck? Do you mean Telegram? Maybe. Freddy, it's all right, man. It's all right. No more of that nonsense. We're back in action. Back now. I was blacked out after spinning the mini slot machine. Yeah, Outdoor Smile. You may have been, man. Perk, someone's making money today. Moji. A lot of people are making money today. Thanks, Clay and Freddy. That always makes my day. Danelle. Always makes my day when you're in here. Whoever's saying Disney can sue Scrooge coin, Scrooge is public domain. Ebenezer's Scrooge. There is no legal issue with Scrooge coins names or using Scrooge artwork, etc. Ooh, nice, man. Public domain. I like public domain. I don't know if it's true or not, but if it is public domain, then yes, nobody can worry about that. I'm laughing so much. Thanks for sending the cat sticker, Freddy. Oh. Freddy sent a cat sticker and I didn't even do it? Oh my gosh. Freddy! Thank you very much, Freddy, man. Appreciate that cat sticker there. Sorry that I missed it, man. Sorry that I missed it. Say something. JB, no, I didn't say anything. Glad you fell asleep, man. Hopefully you got a nice night's sleep there. Sorry, I am back now. But I did want to see. I wanted to move that, get that moving average crossover up there. Can you pull up MTW chart? Keith, thank you very much for the 2-month member chat. Appreciate that. Let's see. MTW. Is that a coin or is that a stock? MTW. Is it a coin or stock? Because we do have MTW, man. I just don't know. Meta World game or... I know you like coins. It's probably a coin. It's probably a coin. I assume that's what you're talking about. Nice, dude. Only a $3.4 million market cap. $34 million market cap. Once it's fully diluted, there are 100 million MTW outstanding and a total supply of 1 billion MTW. So only 10% are currently in circulation. I don't know if the rest were burnt. I don't know if the rest just haven't been issued yet, if they're stakeable or what the deal is. But up 15% today, doing very nice. MTW, wow, has done very nice in price, sitting at 0.0 or 0.6 cents, rising all the way up to 3 cents. So 20xing just in the last, oh my God, man, 10 days, 15, the last 2 weeks, 20xing. Beautiful. How many people here, I wonder, got in at almost 2 cents, ran down 75% in value, got out, and then if they would have just held, they would have been 20xing here. That would have been nice. Oh my gosh. Meta World game. What are they doing though? Meta World game. Looks like they got a little Farmville looking game here, maybe. You get fishing boat or logging yard. Yeah, it looks like you could probably play their little game like a Farmville type thing, I would assume. Not exactly sure, but looks pretty cool, man. And still, very low market cap. Very low market cap. I imagine they have less than 5,000 holders. Wow, wrong on that. 23,000 holders right now. Not bad at all. They've got... All right, I don't know what this vesting is for or what all these contracts are for. A lot sitting out there on PancakeSwap. And I don't know what the tokenomics look like. But, dude, could be very cool, man. Could be very cool. Meta World Gaming, I do not own any. I don't know if Chris or if Keith owns any or not, but it does look like something that could pan out, man, especially with the 20% gains, 15% gains that you're seeing today already. What do we got? Big double bottom on BBIG today. You still in? I don't have any BBIG. You still in BBIG, Devil's Advocate? I love public domain too, except sometimes things can be public domain and then they come at you on trademark. I had an ad from $18.99 and put it on products for sale and got a DMCA via trademark. Cassie, listen, yeah, and sometimes lawyers just try to scare people too. They just try to scare people. Shoe Guru, thank you very much for the super chat, or the member chat, sorry. Thoughts on Dogelon Mars and BKKT? Thanks, Clay Bro. Shoe Guru, absolutely, man. Dogelon Mars doing very well. I believe the last time I looked, it was sitting around a $750 million market cap. Dogelon Mars, yeah, now down a little bit, sitting at about $500 million market cap, so losing some value along with the overall crypto market. Nothing wrong with that. $489 million. Let's see the pullback. Yeah, $489 million did pull back, starting to rise again, so not doing too bad there. Actually going up about, well, from this dip right here, 5,700, almost doubled in price from that right there. Listen, it looks like it's got potential, okay? It's clearly been out for a while, but it looks like it's got potential to rebound. It's also got a lot of downside potential, too, if people just leave it. A lot of people talk about it, and if people continue to talk about it, people will want to continue buying it. Just closed out of Chrome. That sucks. I accidentally closed out of Chrome. Okay, well, we'll just leave that up. And if there's any other coins there, we can definitely see them then. But, all right. Yes, got in at 0.013. Nice. Keith making money on that one. Got in at 1.3 cents. It's currently sitting at what was 3 cents. Hey, bro, UFC Strike had their drop Sunday. Everyone got free NFTs and a refund for some error that happened. And we're getting more free NFTs on January 30th from the UFC and Dapper Labs. KO Bets. Very nice, man. Free NFTs are good NFTs. I like free NFTs. I would take a free NFT. There's literally a book used by police about how to elicit a confession, and a lot of it is messed up manipulation. It causes loads of false confessions due to fear, scare tactics. Trust no one. Yeah, facts on that, dude. Facts on that. Good cop, bad cop, it's a thing. Trust nobody. And I do believe in that. I do believe that too, because I've seen enough crime shows to know that these people break under pressure and they didn't even do the thing that they're confessing to doing. Cassie, I asked because I love investing in digital real estate. Oh, Outdoor Smile. If you love investing in digital real estate, man, I got some project contacting me, wanting me to do a video on them. You might like that one. They have a lot of digital real estate. Literally, you could buy. They basically took Google Maps and whatever they're working on, you could buy. They plotted out all the land. I believe my house, my entire yard would only cost me like $8 to own. Clearly nobody else owns anything around here, but if you wanted to own like the airport, you go by the airport. If you want to own the highway, you go by the highway. I don't know what they're going to do with it, but they do have a lot of that for sale. I was looking at their stuff the other day. Might end up doing a video on them. But before I do, Shoe Guru, this one's for you. I don't know why you guys like the animal so much. Shoe Guru, man, thank you very much for the dog. Appreciate the dog almost as much as I appreciate the cat. Thank you. Let's see here. A nice little review of Scrooge coin. I like the thought of you saying it's like getting the Shiba 7 zeros instead of 4 zeros. Ryan, I don't know if it'll do the same thing that Shiba did, but yes, because it's got the same supply. Let's see. We are still below that. The moving averages are still below. They still haven't crossed over each other. Very nice. Does anybody know what Review Dork and their take profit line is? Does anybody know what their take profit or stop loss lines are? Central Park 5. I just finished a book that happened near me about a murder R-word situation where they tried to say you're gonna think what you want anyway. So fine, I did it. A real confession. That's the confession? Is that the one they used? Conquest 3D! Meow. Thank you very much, Conquest 3D, for the meow. Appreciate you, man. Thank you very much for the meow. Oh my goodness, dude. Thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate all you guys out there making me feel like a noob day after day. Shuguru, congrats on 2 months, bro. Thank you very much. Everybody that's got a member chat in there, thank you guys very much for having that green name. Appreciate all of you. With no word from Jerome, is the only thing we can keep doing is holding and buy more. Everyone keeps saying we need dry powder, but this isn't a good season for landscaping, so I'm still broke. Chris. Yeah, man. Look, the only thing that you can do if you're not willing to average down, okay? And yes, we are waiting on either Jerome to come out and say something that is going to help the market, or we are waiting for prices to literally look so cheap that everybody can't help themselves anymore. They literally don't care what Jerome says. Everything just looks way too cheap, and they have to buy it up. So knowing that, if you don't have, I don't even know what dry powder means, man. If you don't have the money available to go buy more, you got a choice. If you honestly think that the market and the individual stocks are going to continue falling, you could sell and buy back in. You can lessen your position and buy that portion of your position back in if you expect it to continue coming down. Now, clearly, if you do have the money, you can dollar cost average, you can average down, you can buy more, whatever you want to do on that aspect. You can sit in cash too and let your cash keep its value as the overall stock market does fall. But those are your only two options, and if you don't have the money to buy as it goes lower, and you do believe it's going to go lower, yeah, man, your options are either sell some or all and buy back in, or hold through it and, experience the gains when it starts to go back up. That was perfect. Danelle, thank you. Come on, man. You need to stop the animals. This is childish. Yeah, I hate apples. Some people may consider, I don't know, fun, childish, but it's all right. It's all right. There's plenty of other people out there who don't act or have any sense of humor. You can definitely hang out with them too. Kept this kid up for 36 hours yelling at him, saying he did it, and he finally was like, you're going to think what you think anyway, so fine. And they took that as a confession to him killing his cousin. My God, dude. Especially if it's a kid, man. Especially if it's a kid. I'm not even going to lie, dude. I'm not even going to lie. I probably could have done it, and if I didn't want to tell you that I didn't do it, dude, I'm not going to tell you I did it. Even if I did do it. If I didn't want to, you're not going to get it out of me. Yeah, it's just, no, not going to happen. Thoughts on Tectonic? Because I actually don't know anything about Tectonic, man. Bad boys. Oh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Dry powder refers to the cash or liquidity held in reserve in order to buy assets when they are undervalued. It comes from the old flintlock musket that you needed to keep your gunpowder dry to load it. Dude, Frodo dropping all types of knowledge today. I like it, man. I like it. Cassie, we love challenge. Helps relieve stress. Cassie, yes, it does. KO bets, man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, KO bets. Appreciate that super sticker there, man. Big old smile on our face. Can you do a cat hiss instead of a meow? For the haters. No, I don't know how cats hiss, man. I've never really been around cats. I don't know how cats is, dude. I don't know. I want a blue name so I can be a part of the cool kids club. Conquest 3D. One day, my friend. One day. In my defense, I was the only one here not alive during the Revolutionary War. So how was I supposed to know what dry powder? Yeah, it was a fun fact for me as well, man. I was not here during the Revolutionary War, so I also don't know what dry powder goes towards. 40 rounds, something. How low do you think this can actually go? Hoopla, FN, AMC, or the overall market? What are we talking about? Because I'm going to be honest, dude. You know, I think that the U.S. could come out and they could say some really, really, really dumb stuff. I mean, I don't think anybody can argue with that. And that really, really dumb stuff that they would be saying could drive everybody to pull their money out of the markets and put their money in either bonds or bank accounts. So I think that it could go a lot lower. I don't know if it will, and I'm going to lean on the side that it probably won't. But I do believe that it could go a lot lower. You know, there's a lot of dumb stuff that could be said. So that's a possibility. It's a possibility. I just don't know if that's what we're gonna see. I was in the Revolutionary War. Quentin, nice man, clever, and I'll let there be one of all the haters. The claws are sharper than the hiss. KO bets. Facts on that, man. Let's see, NASDAQ, Limbo Champ, 2K22. Oh, man, I hope not. How low can you go? NASDAQ, stop going lower, man. According to the World Stats Tracker, the wallet tracker, the capitalization of Shiba Inu holdings has increased by 100 million in the last 24 hours. Yeah, Milano. I don't know if that was in the last 24 hours from now or if that was posted like yesterday in the last 24 hours on that. I think it might have been yesterday. But if it increased another 100 million, that's pretty intense. Let's see. Yes, I'll be live today. Nice, Frank, doing work. Gonna go live today. Frank, you staying warm out there, man? We still prime for a short squeeze. My 1,000 shares are asking. Conquest 3D. The short interest is there. The price is unfortunately falling, but it means that we can buy more. Guys, you know, a $14 price last year this time was great. People were excited about it. Now, what we've learned is that we can squeeze the price from 14 to 72 and still not experience a short squeeze. So if you're buying right now and the price of AMC continues to go up, an actual short squeeze, if everybody does not give up, should give you a price above the prices we reached back in June of 2021. That has to be encouraging to some people out there, especially knowing that AMC is trading right now at a level where you could 7x your money. So it has to be enticing to a lot of people. Let's see. Everyone said Clit last night. Nice, Milano. Nice. I figured it was, man. I think I read that article yesterday. In about 30 minutes, good deal. Cassie, I second that. I love it. I laugh here daily, and we all know laughter is the best medicine in these crazy times. It is, Danelle. It is. Everybody needs to take a little bit of a break from hating everybody else, and everybody needs to just, I don't know, spread some cheer. Read my message and expect a new drop soon. Crypto Rocketeer. I hate drops, man. Great to see this new under variant spreads 50% faster itself. Here we go again. Oh my god. Crypto Rocketeer. Yeah, man. Yeah. Look, you guys, I know you guys all get your opinions on that too, but don't expect to escape that storyline for quite some time. Don't expect to escape that storyline. Since they're calling it the same name, I think the masses are too dumb to realize it's a new version. Nice. I hope so. Same name, number 2. Level 2. It's just level 2 now. BKKT dropped from $50 a share to under $4 a share. Thoughts? Why would it have dropped, man? Why would it have dropped that much? Let's see. Was this a SPAC? Was this a SPAC trading at $10 and then made an acquisition, got hyped up, and kind of fell off. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so what is this? Basically a place where you can trade your crypto or buy and sell stuff with your crypto. Gotcha. Looks like a SPAC that did that. This kind of reminds me of this SPAC. Romeo Power sitting here at $10 announces their at the beginning of at the end of 2020 into 2021 they announced that they're acquiring Romeo Power, a electric vehicle battery maker. They go from $10 all the way up to about $40, and then we have not seen any action in electric vehicles or the such throughout all of 2021. So they've done nothing but come down. Look, I don't know what this company is actually doing in terms of their financials. It doesn't seem like they're doing too bad. Quarter one, I mean, it seems like they're improving. 753% increase in revenue. What's their net income at down here? I don't know if they got positive earnings or not. It looks like they got negative earnings. But, you know, revenue's growing. They're not doing a ton of revenue, though. We're doing about $6 million on the year. That's not huge. But, you know, who needs electric vehicle car batteries? Tesla's not buying off Romeo Power. So if they do start to, I guess, get a market, these guys could improve as well. And I just don't know enough about BKKT to determine where I would expect them to go. Did we cross back up? No. Didn't cross back up yet. Food for thought. In the 2000 dot-com crash, some major shares dropped 95%. They took 8 to 12 years to get back to that all-time high. Yeah, that is true. They did also have, 2009 in there, come in there and wipe them out again before that 12 years would have been over with. But look, dude, that's it. Just goes to show, and I hate apples is correct. You do not have to hold through a down market. You do not have to hold as your stocks are pulling back. Sometimes cash is a better option than the stocks that you could be holding. Now, with that being said, I am holding AMC. If you guys don't want to hold AMC, it is your decision whether or not to hold. I believe I Hate Apple said that they sold yesterday, a couple days ago. But it is unknown. We do not know what will happen tomorrow. We do not know what will happen next week. We do not know what will happen next year. But we do know with a certain level of certainty, or a certain degree of certainty, I should say, that long term, if the company survives, you can't expect that company to grow. And long term, the United States stock market should continue to grow. Unless, of course, you're in the end of times, and then I don't think you're going to care about your dollar. But it's 1 o'clock, guys. We're going to take a little break. Get your names in the chat right now. Let's get the shout-outs going on. And then we will be back in a couple of hours here. Thank you guys very much for hanging out. Thank you guys very much for having fun. Thank you guys very much for all the support today. Appreciate every single one of you. And we will see. Somebody remind me when we come back to see where this thing crosses back above the moving average. I want to see if we would have made a little bit of money on that, on the 1348 moving average crossover there. Dude, electricians are not dead. They're just getting started. No, Frodo. I don't think they're dead, man. I don't think they're dead. I just think that they had a harder year than a lot of people expected them to have. So, Frodo, man, Crypto Records here. Boom! Dabbing on them like always. I Hate Apples. I'll see you later. Shout out Roderick, Outdoor Smile, Russian My Man. See you later. Julia Gulia, Isawu, Crypto Rocketeer, Conquest 3D with the clutch super chat, man. I've been buying the major 3 cruise ship stocks. I think they will bounce back too much money in tourism revenue. Worst case, the government will bail them out. Thoughts? I do think they will bounce back as well, man. Personally, oh man, you don't want my personal thoughts on the whole storyline of all of that. But once everything falls down and there's no more dust being kicked up around lockdowns or things to get you guys to, whatever. Once the story around the virus stops, cruises, travel, people will forget that it was ever here. People will forget that it was ever here, man. They will be back on cruise ships and so on. I do not know if the government will bail out the cruise ships. I truly don't know if they will do that. But I do believe that travel and leisure will make a comeback relatively soon after the media stops reporting every 3 seconds on things like that. So thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate your conquest. Diddy214, Chimpanzees, Paul, Frodo, SD. Love the channel, bro. Thank you very much, SD. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for being in here. Enjoy your lunch as well, Nick F. Freddie, JB, Esau, Woo, Julia, Gulia, Paul. Amazed you're still talking about AMC. Jimmy, I'm amazed as well, Paul. I'm amazed as well, man. Milano, Mo, Conquest. What the heck? Yes, I do want personal thoughts. YouTube doesn't want personal thoughts. Isa, Woo, Reese, Outdoor Smile. See everybody later. And you guys know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.